I bake 1 month of sourdough at a time, and this is what I use to slice it all. I usually make 4 loaves at once, slice everything, and then divide it into vacuum seal bags so we can freeze it and just pull it out as we need it during the month. And if you've ever tried slicing fresh sourdough, you know that it can get messy really fast with uneven slices, squished bread, or the crust tearing instead of cutting clean. This adjustable bread bow knife that the brand sent over has actually made this whole process a lot easier. What I really like is that you can adjust the thickness, so I can choose how thick I want each slice depending on how we're using it, whether it's for sandwiches or just for toast. The blade itself is really sharp and smooth, so it cuts through the crust without crushing the inside, which is exactly what you want with homemade bread. It also has a really solid wooden frame, so it feels stable while you're cutting, and the blade replacement system is tool-free, which makes it easy to swap out if needed. For me, the biggest thing is just how much cleaner and faster it makes my monthly bread prep. I can slice everything, portion it out, and get it straight into freezer bags without any hassle. If you bake homemade bread or do any kind of meal prep, this has been a really helpful tool to have on hand, and you'll get a lot of use out of it.